Nothing gets past the profit seekers on Wall Street, and you better believe they were waiting as well on the Supreme Court's Obamacare call. Add to that another reason to understand it's Facebook's world. We just live here. And the old adage, you get what you pay for, is never truer than at the supermarket. Clean up on aisle 4. Let's wipe away the mistakes of others when it comes to your money. Welcome back the editor of the Newsmax Financial Intelligence Report and our money master, Jeff Yastine. Jeff, all I see today when I'm looking at the numbers from Wall Street is red.
Yeah, we had some, I guess we'll call it profit taking. The market, as we've discussed in recent days, is sort of focused on Greece, and the summit meeting that was going on there broke up. It doesn't look like they'll be talking about Greece until Saturday, so we may or may not get a resolution to this or see some sort of exit of Greece from the Eurozone over the weekend, or at least the discussions about that. So we'll see how that goes. We had the Dow finishing down 71 points, the S&P 500 losing 2 points, the NASDAQ dropping about 5 points.
I would guess if you are an investor in healthcare stocks, you were happy with the decision today, because I'm seeing Tenet Healthcare gained 11.8% today. How are the rest doing?
Yeah, the rest have been doing equally well. When that Supreme Court decision came out, most of the ones in this sector, they all jumped for Tenet, as you said, up about 10%. There are others that were up 8 to 12%. So the whole sector really benefited from this, affirmation in terms of their plans and what they already have set up. And obviously that's going to continue now with the Supreme Court resolving this question mark.
Very briefly, do you see that as sustainable growth? It will continue on this sort of path, or is this just a one-day shot?
I think a lot of this has already been built in. I mean, Tenet has long been known as a major beneficiary of Obamacare. So the short answer is it's a one-day shot. After that, investors go back to looking at the fundamentals, such as they are, with Obamacare and everything else staying intact.
Next up, Facebook is now worth more than Walmart on the stock market. That's astounding. Facebook doesn't really sell anything.
They don't, but they get all the eyeballs. They are this generation's TV networks of 40 years ago, when owning a TV network was a license to print money. Facebook's in that position today, but some of it's also based on the fact that Facebook stock is way up there, and it's being pushed higher by the interest in tech stocks, in social media stocks, and Facebook is the leader in that. And they've done a great job of really adopting to the mobile strategy, which is overtaking so much of what was existing before with PCs.
And we ran out of time here, so for tomorrow then, we'll go ahead and talk about the Whole Foods New York City fight that's going on there, being accused of overcharging customers. Then again, you get what you pay for in so many ways. We'll touch on that tomorrow. Don't forget, go to Newsmax.com, click on the Finance tab. 24/7, 365, Jeff Yastine and the team are there. They'll keep you up to speed on everything that's happening in the markets. Jeff, always a pleasure, my friend. Thanks so much. We'll see you tomorrow.
Thanks, Ed.
All right, coming up next, Obamacare, gay rights, and why Ben Affleck needs to lighten up.